How to set up voicemail on Samsung Galaxy S26 or the S26 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the phone application. Now at the bottom, tap on keypad. Next, you want to touch and hold on the number 1 key, touch and hold. This will allow you to directly call your voicemail.
Service. Let's set up your personal.
Now you can also dial in your voicemail number. So here, if I key in 321 and then tap on the dial button, this is my network voicemail number.
Personal voicemail service.
Okay, to find out your network voicemail number, you can tap on the more button, then tap on settings. Next, we scroll down and tap on voicemail, and here it shows your network voicemail number right here. Okay, so every network have a different voicemail number, so make sure you get the right voicemail number. Otherwise, simply press and hold on the number 1. Okay, after
Hi
that,
there. Welcome to your personal voicemail
we follow the
service.
on-screen
Let's set
instruction.
up your personal mailbox. You will use your PIN anytime you access your mail.
So here it says we need to set up a PIN between 4 and 10 digits.
Digit number that will be easy for you to remember, but hard for anyone else to guess. Now enter your new.
So I will put in my
4, 2,
digits,
10
1,
digit PIN.
2, 3, 4, and then press on the hash key.
Sorry, this PIN isn't valid. For security reasons, your PIN cannot be the same as your mailbox number.
Okay, so
or
say too
contain
easy.
digit sequences or repeating patterns.
Okay, so I'll
Please
go
re-enter
down
your
from the top
PIN.
down to 580 and then tap on the hash key.
Your new PIN is 2580. If this is correct, press hash. To
So
change
press
your
hash
PIN,
key to
now
confirm.
you record your name to identify your mailbox to other users. You'll only need to record your first and last name. Please record your name after the beep, then press hash.
David from ITJungles.
David from ITJungles.
To keep your recording, press hash. To re-record your name, press 2.
So press 2 to restart. Press hash to confirm.
Finally, it's time to record a personal greeting that your callers will hear.
So now
Make
we
sure
will
you
record
include your
a
name,
voicemail message.
Ask for a detailed message and ask for a number you can call them back on. Begin recording your greeting at the tone. When finished, press hash.
Hi, this is David. I'm not here at the moment. Please leave a message and I'll call you back. And then tap on the hash key.
Your greeting is...
Hi, this is David. I'm not here at the moment. Please leave a message and I'll call you back. And then tap on the hash.
To keep your personal greeting, press hash. If you'd like to delete and re-record your
So
now
press
done
hash
setting
to
up
keep
your
the message.
personal voicemail box. You have no messages. To record a message, press 6. To change your greeting, press 3. To access your user options, press 8.
So you can see you can change your voice message. You can re-record your personal
This
greeting
call
message.
will end if you don't make a choice. To
And-
manage your group lists, press 2. To modify your personal preferences, press 4.
So we have 2 options. Modify your personal message or the group list.
To manage your group lists, press 2. To modify, to create one, press 2.
So you can create a group list, or you can simply listen to your voice
To
messages
create
or
one,
delete
press
them.
2. Invalid entry. Please try again. To create one, press 2.
So it's only one option in here, so I have to press 2 to create a
Please
group list.
enter a 1 or 2 digit group list number, followed by
Otherwise,
hash.
we can tap on the end button to end that voicemail call. And that's it. That's how you can set up your voicemail. Simply press and hold on the number 1 to start.
Messages. To record a message, press 6. To change your greeting, press 3. To access your user options, press 8.
And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.